I will show you how to get the best windshield repair of your life. Don't let a chipped or cracked windshield ruin your day. Pronto Car Glass in Anaheim CA is here to save the day. Our top-notch team can fix or replace your windshield quickly and efficiently. Why choose us? Simple. We offer fast and reliable service because we know how inconvenient a damaged windshield can be. Our experienced technicians use high-quality materials to make sure your repair lasts. Plus, our prices won't break the bank. And here's the best part. We come to you. Whether you're at home or at work, we'll handle the repair on the spot. Our customers love us, and our 5-star reviews prove it. Just check this out. So, don't wait. Call Pronto Car Glass today at 714-503-0743 or visit www.prontocarglass.com to schedule your appointment. We can't wait to help you get back on the road safely. And hey, check the link in the description to see our location on Google Maps. See you soon.